how to make money on people per hour as a business consultant. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So guys, before I proceed to showing you how you can make money, first I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create a profile and enter your skills in order to get hired or in order to do a gig or a job for business owners or individuals. So for example, if you are a business consultant, here we go to the business category and we search here for consulting. We have here Brexit Consulting, all business services, and here we have consulting. So you're going to see the freelancers that we have in this category, and as you can see, we have all of these freelancers who listed their jobs with their hourly rate, waiting for someone to hire them. So that's what I'm going to show you in today's video. I'm going to show you how you can create a profile of yours just like those freelancers in order to get hired from business owners or individuals. So let's go back to the first page, which is People Per Hour, and here click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then you will proceed to creating your account, and here make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information: first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to enter my email and my password, and then click on login. After that, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here click on apply now. Then complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here enter your profile picture. After that, you proceed to enter your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or you can just go with business consultant, and then you proceed to add in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can add is 15, so you cannot add more than that. So here let's start typing any skills. Let's go with consulting, and let's see what do we have in here. Business advice, business consulting. Let's enter consulting again to see what do we have. Consulting, startup consulting. Let's see, consulting again, and here we have career advice, career consulting, or management consulting. So here let's search for business to see what do we have. Business writing, support, planning, strategy. Let's go with business support and business strategy as well. Business strategy or business analysis, and that's it. Then we proceed to the description. So here you describe yourself to buyers. So guys, what I use personally in order to enter a good description for my profile is that I go and I search for my competitors, and I take inspiration from their descriptions. So here I'm going to go to consulting. I'm going to see those freelancers, and I'm going to take inspiration from their descriptions. So for example, let's check this one's description. So here, let's check his description, read more. And from the first site, you'll see that, or you'll notice that this is a very long description, and the client we won't have time to read all of these paragraphs, what even he's talking about. So let's close this one. This is a bad inspiration. Let's search for someone else. So here let's check this one, and here click on read more, and this is a very brief description. It's very good. I'm a qualified HR professional with experience in the full recruitment cycle, providing HR advice and offering a consultancy service. I am CIPD qualified. In addition, I am highly experienced in article writing, copywriting, and press release, experience in writing web content and using WordPress. Area covered, any work removed. So this is a very good description. It's very brief, very small, and easy to understand, easy to read. That's a very decent inspiration. Let's see if we can find another decent inspiration. So for example, let's check this one and click on read more. This is buyer tips. I need to read the description, which is this one, and as you can see, again, it's very long. No one has time to read all of these paragraphs or whatever he is talking about. So this is another bad inspiration. Make sure to not do something like that. And let's check the last one here. Help resolve email delivery. That's not what we're looking for. Advise your business on unemployment. Provide an hour of coaching. Black Friday. Let's go down to see what do you have else. Let's check this one. I hope it's a very decent description as well. And as you can see, again, it's a very long description. Do not do like that. So just make sure to do an example just like the brief one that we saw before and enter it in here. After that, you proceed to add in your location and the languages that you can speak. So for example, English, French, or whatever language you can speak. Then you enter your hourly rate. You can change the currency in here. After that, you click on submit application. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.